We'll guide you through how to repost posts and reels on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Repost is a new feature Instagram have recently added. So with it, you can go and repost posts or reels onto your profile, and people can then go and see that you've gone and reposted them, and it'll go and appear in their feed. So we'll guide you through how this can be done, and then we'll guide you through how you can go and view your reposts as well, amongst other things as well. So let's go and get straight into this. First of all, you can go and find a post or reel you want to repost. So I'll come onto my homepage like so. We can scroll down, and let's say I wanted to go and repost this here. What I can do is go to the bottom here, and you'll see the like button, the comment, and then you'll see these arrows going in a circle. That's the repost button. So what we can do is go and tap on it like so, and you then go and see it changes to a tick, and with this little floating icon, seeing that I've gone and reposted it. I can go and tap on it like so, and what I can then do is go and tag a friend. I can also go and add a reaction as well, and then go and press save like that. Now, if you want to do this as a reel, you can come to reels like so, find the reel you want to go and repost, go over to the right, you'll see the like button, comment button, and then you'll see the repost button. The arrow's going in a circle. Once again, you can go and tap on it, and you can then tap on that repost icon to the left, where your profile icon is, and you can go and add a thought, which is cool. So I can go and type in cool, for example, and go and press save. That will then go and appear there. You can now go and see your repost on your Instagram profile. So to do that, you can go and press your profile icon in the bottom right of Instagram. You'll be brought here, and then you'll go and currently see your feed. If you go just below your bio and where it says edit profile, share profile, go in that row and go and find the repost icon. The arrows go in a circle, click there, and you'll then go and see what you've gone and reposted. You'll go and see your reaction here as well. If you want to go and unrepost something, then what you can do is go and tap on it, and you can then go over to the right to where the repost button is below the comment button, and you can go and tap on it. That'll then go and unrepost it. I'll return to my profile, and you'll go and see it then goes and gets removed. So there we go. If you found this useful and want to see more Instagram guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a lot more to come in the future as well, so make sure you stay tuned. I look forward to help you again in the future with more tech solutions. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.